Okay, here's Unit 5, Lesson 10, Geology, Weathering and Erosion, Part 1. Here's your vocabulary slides. Here's your text. And then here are your questions. You have about topsoil and sediments. What is an example of physical weathering? What is an example of chemical weathering? How are chemical and physical weathering similar? And then here, how are they different? So you will need to put this into a sentence. Listen closely, and maybe you need to pause it and then write it. It says, how are chemical and physical weathering different? A way to restate that will be, you take off how are and you start with here. You can even just copy this. Whoops. I can't do it, sorry, but you can, just, how to do it. Copy it and then paste, not the how are, and then make your capital, your C capital. Chemical and physical weathering you're going to add are different because, and then tell me, chemical weathering does this, physical weathering is this. I'm trying to tell you how to make it easier for you. I mean, you can just copy and paste that. You'll have to add the word are and you'll have to make the C capital, but that would help you out. And then tell me chemical weathering, or if you just want to do chemical weathering does this, physical weathering does this, this is how they're different. Okay? But I want sentences, capital letters, periods. I will take off if it does not have that. Then here it talks about, does wind cause weathering and erosion? Then what are sedimentary rocks made of? Here it talks about the effects of weathering and erosion taking place over time. What does that mean? Does flowing water cause erosion? Do glaciers cause erosion? And then, which is not an example of weathering? On pages 70 and 71. The Grand Canyon, the Colorado River, the Appalachian Mountains, or Cape Cod. And that's all for today.